Okay. This is something I just gotta show. That's Dewey barking in the background. I don't know if you can see Chase over there in his little house. He's usually up in the tree, tearing all the branches off. But, Dewey, it's okay, buddy. There's Dewey up there barking. I haven't quite figured out what it is he's barking at, but he'll be okay. Okay. So, came over here to visit Chase. He's got the stick here. He's in his house. Hey, Chase. How's my little man? And look what he's got in his house. Hi, little handsome boy. Hi, my handsome boy. Oh, he's gonna kiss the screen. Okay, but down here in his little house is his collection of sticks. He's looking at the camera, so he's kind of blocking the view. Okay, let me have it back, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. I just thought that was cool. This is Chase's house, and he brings all his sticks that he breaks off the tree, all his branches, he brings them all to his house. Don't you, lovely? Hi. Hi. I just thought that was funny. And he'll go up the tree. Oh, let me show you one. Is that your sticks? Are you sticks, buddy? Those are nice sticks. See that? Yeah, those are very nice. Yeah. Okay. We'll let you go in your little world of sticks. Okay. I'll take a nap. Bye now. Bye, Chase. Hey, there's Spencer. Hi, Spence. What's the matter, Dewey? Okay, this is just a lazy afternoon. The others are all inside for the day. They experience. Hi, handsome. I'm gonna lick my finger. Okay. I don't know what Chase is trying to build, but I'll check back in a few days and see what he comes up with. That's it for now.